Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple Pay payment not completed. If you are using Apple Pay on your iPhone or iPad and you're facing this type issue that whenever you try to buy or purchase everything from Apple Pay, you find this type error that your payment not completed. So let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So basically, it must help when your network is weak or there's an issue with your Apple Pay. So very first we're going to fix our network. Now to do that, you have to try to connect with a stable and strongest network connection, or you can also try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with your network settings. Then go back, open your settings here, go for general here, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. Or if you find any connected VPN, you just have to go back. You have to disconnect with your VPN, then go back from here and then go for software updates, and you have to make sure that your update software is up to date. If you find any pending update here, try to update your software, and after that go back in and you have to set your date and time. Go for date and time settings, and you have to enable this toggle to set date and time automatically. Once you have enabled, your date and time will be automatically set. At now you have to try again. If you are facing again this issue, you just have to go for settings here, go for general here, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and then select reset network setting. From the confirmation message pop-up, it will reset all of your network setting. So if there will be any issue with your network setting, it will be fixed in this step, and after that your issue will be fixed. Or if you are still facing the same issue, so it might be your Apple ID issue. Now to fix that, you have a simple step. You have to update your Apple ID. Not to do that, go for settings, tab on your Apple ID here, and here you just have to select the option of payment and shipping, and then you have to delete your payment method from here. And once you have deleted your payment method, you just have to go back, open your app store, and here tab on your profile in the top right corner, select your account from here. Now you just have to verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password, then select country or region option. Now you just have to select your own country or region in which you're living. For example, I'm going to select this one. Simply select your country or region from here, then tap on continue option. Now tap on agree in the top right corner. And here you just have to add your payment method. You just have to add a payment method, which one you have. From here is credit card, debit card, or your people card, or it might be a mobile phone. Once you have added it here, you have to add a billing address, then add your phone number, and then enter your name here. Once you have all done all, you just have to tap on done option in the top right corner, and your Apple ID or payment method will be updated, and you will not get the same issue again. Or after doing that, if you're still facing the same issue, so you just have to contact with Apple Support team. So open your Apple Support app from here, or you can use Apple Support web. So from here you have to simply select your iPhone or iPad or which device you're using, then select subscriptions and purchases, select unable to purchase from here, and now you just have to scroll down and look for the option of get more help, then tap on call us. Now you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number, and you will be contacted with the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.